Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to fix login error in TodayTix app. So if you're facing the login error, it might be because of various reasons. First of all, what you have to do is ensure the network connectivity. Make sure your device has a stable internet connection. Also, make sure to double check your email address and password. Sometimes you might be facing the login error because of incorrect credentials, so make sure to check the credentials. If these aren't your problem and still you're facing the login error, it might be because your application is not updated. In that case, what you have to do is update the application. So simply launch open Play Store on your device. Now tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now search for TodayTix. You'll be able to see the results. Find the application for TodayTix and tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface right now, you can see two options, uninstall and open. If your application is not updated, instead of open option, you'll be able to find the option for update. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, your application will be updated and your problem should be fixed. But if you're still facing the login error, try clearing the cache of the application. So simply open the app library, find the application for TodayTix and long press on it. Tap on the option App Info. Now you'll be led to the App Info interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. Simply tap on the option Storage and Cache. Now you'll be led to the storage interface. You'll be able to find two options over here, clear storage, clear cache. Simply tap on the option clear cache and the cache of your application will be cleared. Now your problem should be fixed. But if you're still facing the login error, try uninstalling your application and install it again. After that, your error should be fixed. So that is how you fix login error in TodayTix app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.